colour of it is ever so questionable. Obsessed with that. Punch me in the face, that is so good. Hi guys, so for today's video we have my, God, what month is it? September Lush Kitchen unboxing. Mine's a smidge, it's a bit late, I don't know, like, I find with the XL, we're always the last ones to get it. I think it obviously goes bath, shower, then XL, like in the way they were released. But we have it here nonetheless, but I think everyone has pretty much got theirs. I'm probably the last one to get it. Let's open her up. Oh, it smells scrummy. What can I smell? Oh, I think it's the soap. I think it's the apple soap. Baking peanuts everywhere. I never learn my lesson, do I? And bring a bag up. This is what this month's looks like. So this month's theme is a sort of really cute, I guess it's, oh, here we go, harvested from your feedback. I was going to say, it seems like it's a sort of harvesty fall type box, which is really lovely, like a cakey beginning of autumn box, you know, which I think is lovely. I've got high hopes for this. Fingers crossed. Oh, so it smells ever so strong. It's that bath bomb, isn't it? Oh, I'm proper excited for this. So we've got our info sheet there. And then let's open our little slip and take a look. Ever so sweet. You've got your QR code you can scan to get like a more like a nice little swipeable experience and take a look at what the products are. This says, we've raked through your requests for a fall product, so here's what we've gathered. Indulge. Oh, okay. I'm not saying the rest because it spoils it. Very cute, we have that. Let's dive in, I'm ever so excited. Right, I'm gonna start off with the product that I'm pretty certain I will not like. Just so hopefully we can carry on a nice vibe. It's the Turmeric Latte Shower Gel. If you saw my spoilers for this, you'll know that I am not the biggest fan of Turmeric Latte in general. I don't know if it might smell a bit different in the shower gel, maybe it might be a bit creamier, I'm not too sure. I just find it too coffee-like, too strong. Doesn't wow me, you know. But we're going to give it a sniff. If not, I think a subscriber wants to have this one, so it'll be going to them. This says, as the nights draw in, snuggle up with velvety vanilla and rich milky undertones of Tonka Absolute. See, that sounds like it should be delicious, but it's too coffee-ish in my opinion. That's what she looks like. The colour of it is ever so questionable, but I mean, that is the colour of a turmeric latte, I believe. Oh, okay. It's not as strong in the shower gel, I don't mind it. I'm going to squirt some on my hand. If you did want this, I'm only going to do a dot, I hope that's okay. That colour is hideous. No, I don't like it. I don't know, I'm a bit relieved I don't like it because somebody did want it, so you can have it. If that was you, let me know and I'll you can have it. So we have that one. Not the biggest fan, never mind. It is a shame though because it is a big size, well, a medium size, and we do like a medium, but never mind. Next up, what should I do now? Let's do this. I'm so excited for this. Oh, look at it. Mm. Oh, it smells delicious. I can smell it already. Stunning. So this is a pear. This is called, it's called Golden Pear. That makes total sense. A bubble bar. It is Golden Pear scented. If you don't know, I'm absolutely obsessed with that scent. I love it. It's a very sort of, it's like pear, those little pear drops sweets. It's ever so sweety and delicious. It almost smells slightly different in a bubble bar, but still really, really scrummy. I do find sometimes with the shower gel, I can smell an ever so slight, a bit of acetone in it, like a acetone-y vibe. Only ever so slightly, I can push past it. But this, I can't smell any of that in it at all. Oh, it smells wonderful. If you like a fruity, sweety type vibe, you'll be all over Golden Pear, and it's coming back for Christmas, so you can grab some then as well. Ever so sweet. Oh my goodness, guys. I forgot to say at the beginning, so there was, by the looks of it, some sort of event held last night in London, like a festive event that some influencers were invited to, and I saw some sneak peeks and stuff, and it looks like we're getting a Scooby-Doo collab. How exciting. I remember when we were at the event in Poole, Kyle did propose a Scooby-Doo collab. I don't know if it was his idea that they took, hopefully it was, or whether it's been in the works for a while and perhaps they couldn't say, but it's ever so exciting. It looks wonderful. There's a spray called Scooby Snacks, which is a bit cinnamony, I think, and then there was a Mystery Machine bath bomb. There's obviously going to be more, I think. It was just those two with the sneak peeks, but that's exciting. I digress. Let's carry on. Love that. Obsessed. I was obsessed with that. Let's do this one, because when I opened it, it smelled ever so strong. I don't know if I'll like it or not. I mean, hopefully I do. I've got the, oh no, I think I do. You've got the bath bomb. This is Metamorphosis bath bomb. Now what have we got in here? Got black pepper in here, cinnamon leaf, myrrh resinoid. Okay. Oh, I think I like it, which is unusual because old me would not have liked this. It's ever so smoky, very smoky, but I think you can smell that cinnamon spiciness in there as well, which gives it a nice little edge. Like, takes a little bit away from the full power of the smoke. I'm gonna use that, I'm totally gonna use that. Okay, I'm excited. Ever so smoky though, but it looks like it has. So can you see some purple here? Something jazzy is gonna come out the middle of that, isn't it? How exciting. Can't wait to use that. Next up, let's do the soap and then and the lip scrub, and then I'll save my favourite two for the end because I'm really excited for those. Oh, this is beautiful. This is the soap, how stunning. So it's got whole pieces of apple on it. I have seen some people's, Melody's, I watched Melody's unboxing last night or the night before. She had a whole lovely, beautiful chunk of apple on hers. Mine doesn't look too bad. I was concerned that I would get the shitty end of the stick with like one little tiny chunk of apple in the corner. This is called Temptation Soap. What is that meant to be, like the Garden of Eden temptation? I don't know, with the apple. This has in it coconut oil, rapeseed oil, fresh apple juice, yummy yummy, coconut oil, myrrh resinoid, orange flower absolute, cinnamon leaf oil. Shut up. This smells ever so familiar. I feel like it's something we have or we have had. I don't think it's Once Upon a Time, I don't think it is. It smells very, it's like a fizzy apple vibe, sort of like a, you know, you can get an apple tango, a bit like that. I adore that. I'm very happy with that. I thought when I did the spoilers that I was going to be a fan of this soap, and I am. It is ever so creamy as well. Oh, it's like the apples have been dipped in something like an oil or something, really moisturising. Can you see? It's got something on it. Can you see? Wow. Oh, I'm obsessed with that. This is going well, except for the shower gel, obviously. This is going okay so far. Let's do the lip scrubber-rooney, because does that even make sense? Let's do the lip scrub, because I don't know, I'm getting a bit more onto lip scrubs recently, and this one sounds ever so yummy. So we have a Toffee Apple Lip Scrub. This says a sweet autumn treat. And then if you look, oh, let's just open it, shall we? It should have pink and green. Oh, mine's just all green on the top. The pink's at the bottom. Oh, bugger. I think they're two different flavours. Oh God, okay. So how am I going to get a taste of each? I mean, let's just taste. Yeah, so it's Toffee Apple Lip Scrub. I think one side's apple and one side's toffee. Let's just try the green, I guess. Oh, I didn't smell it. Holy moly. That smells proper edible. That's delicious. Honestly, it smells a bit like sticky dates. It smells a bit like sticky dates in the lotion. I found that to be quite pungent and a little bit different from regular sticky dates. It smells a bit like that, and it tastes, I need a bit more. It tastes tastes toffee. It tastes like a toffee apple. It tastes toffee-ish and it tastes appley. That's awesome. I'm chuffed with that. Yeah, I like that a lot. Very cute. Tastes delish. Looks fun. I do wish the colours were split in half though. I think it was meant to be, but never mind. Now, on to my favourite two for last. This is ever so exciting. Let's do this one next. We'll do the Sparkly Pumpkin Body Scrub. I'm proper excited for this. So this says, it got places to glow. Squash this sugar scrub onto wet skin and brighten up with zesty juniper berry and lime oil. I think this is glittery. Oh God, it is. I saw Melody open hers and I was like, oh my giddy odd. Is it glittery all the way through? That looks like there's a lot of glitter in there. I love it. Beautiful. I love, love, love Sparkly Pumpkin scent. This is the same scent as the Pumpkin Crumble Bubble Rune that I really love, that I had in my Halloween haul. We've had a, what have we, 1 for sorrow, 2 for joy, 3 for a girl, 4 for a boy. Bloody magpies in my neighbour's garden. Honestly, they do my head in because I always glance out the window and I'm like, oh great, just saw a magpie. They also had a slime of this a couple of Halloweens ago. I think there's usually, fingers crossed, always something that comes out of Sparkly Pumpkin, and please Lush, do keep it that way because it's elite and we all do love it. To me, it's a really hard scent to describe. I think it is very blood orangey, but it has this sweet loveliness to it as well. So it has in it grapefruit oil, lime oil, juniper berry. It's probably the juniper berry. Oh, it has mango butter in there as well. Alipe butters. It's ever so tropical, but to me I think it's the blood orange and perhaps the juniper berry comes through. It's really stunning. If you can smell in store the Pumpkin Crumble Bubble Rune, you'll be a fan, I'm sure of it. If you like the same scents as me. Ever so chuffed with you. You're a keeper. And it's sparkly, I love that. Great job, Lush, great job. That should have been in the Halloween line, 100%. Right then, on to what I hope is the star of the show, because it's my absolute, the perfume in this is my favourite perfume. I'm not gonna lie, probably ever. I love it so, so much. It is the Chelsea Morning Body Lotion. This one says, we've stirred our sweet, sunny and buttery perfume into a base of skin softening cocoa butter. There she blows. Okay. Oh my God. That is bloody stunning. Oh, Lush, 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 Lush. I do love you guys. Right. Oh, that is going to make the most perfect base to put your Chelsea Morning perfume on. Slap a bit on your arms, let it sink in a little bit, spray your perfume, and it should last even longer. Elite. I'm so happy with that, so, so happy. What have we got in here? Lemon myrtle, tonka, vanilla, yeah, almond oil, cocoa butter. If you didn't know, I'm sure you all do, but Chelsea Morning it's a lovely, lovely scent. It's lemony, it's butterscotchy, it's toffee-like. It's sort of a bit like super milk. People say the perfume smells more like super milk than the super milk perfume does. I do not agree. It smells like a bit like super milk with a full-on layer of toffee or caramel in there. It's just it's a delectable scent. It's so, so good. Right, are we done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're done. I am ever so chuffed with that box. That is a fabulous box. Obviously I'm not keeping this, which is a shame because it is one of the more substantial products of the box, but that's fine. This is my second to last favourite, but I'm still going to use it. It's ever so fresh but smoky as well. It's unusual. It's very unusual. It's going to be an acquired taste, that one. I feel like, again, my partner would probably enjoy that more than me. But hey ho, I'm going to use it. Guys, the stars of the show. These 4 suckers, absolutely stunning. That is the most delightful apple scent ever. Golden Pear, Chelsea Morning, and that. Punch me in the face. That is so good. Oh, it's ever so malleable. Oh God, I love it. Just love the sugar scrubs. Oh, the glitter. Oh, the glitter. I'm gonna be a sparkly pumpkin. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Have you acquired your boxes yet? I'm assuming most of you have. If you have, and you've probably tried some of it already, it wouldn't surprise me. I feel like I'm the last one to get my box. If you have got yours and you've tried anything, let me know what you think of it. Do you have a favourite? Do you have a least favourite? You know the vibe. We like to have a chat in the comments, don't we? Hope you guys like the video. Love you all ever so much, and I'll see you all soon.